You're watching the Skisuit channel on YouTube, and this is how you start your cold snowmobile with your clothes dryer. It's really cold. I can't get my snowmobile to start. But then I looked behind me, the clothes dryer vent. This might work. I'm gonna turn the sled around, turn on my dryer, see if that'll warm it up. But I might need like a hose or something. All right, my friends, the old heater vent to start the sled. Take a pizza box and drill a hole in it. Holy moly. Holy moly. This goes here. Just get crazy with duct tape. We'll do the same on this side. Whoa! It's not really sticking on this side so good because of the grease. Ooh. Make sure those have room to open up. There's just a vent on the front of the sled. Anything in there? Oh, there's some clothes. But they're dry. Regular temperature, more dry. Let's go see what's happening outside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.